Hello guys, my name is Chuma, and in this video, I will be revealing a tough quiz question to solve. Let's know who is the smartest. I believe whoever gets this question is definitely smart. Alright, let's get right into it. Mr. Chinedu has 5 children: Chioma, Bayo, Jennifer, Emma, and Jamiu. Bayo is older than Jennifer, but younger than Chioma. Emma is the youngest, while Jamiu is older than Chioma. Now the question is this: out of the 5 children, who is the eldest and who is the 4th child? If you are confident that you know the answer, drop your answers in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Answers will be revealed in the next video. Start commenting, guys. See you in the next video.